In the final account, a subsection is called manufacturing account. Bad debt is a loss, printing and stationery, office rent, whatever the difference comes, that is the net profit. If the depreciation came from the adjustment, it will come in the manufacturing account or P&L account, then deduct from the asset. Hello, my dear student. I am Dr. B.S. Subramaniam, called by name Dr. B.S.S., Professor in Commerce and Management, Vidhyaashram First Aid College, a Temple of Excellence, MYSURU. In this session, I am going to hand Financial Accounting 1, First Semester, Unit 2, Session 2, in favor of Final Accounts of Sole Trading Concern regarding the manufacturing account. Here, this question will be asked for 10 marks. How to find out the manufacturers, which are the process here. Under this method, first we are going to prepare manufacturer account, trading account, and profit and loss account. Sometimes we'll prepare the balance sheet. In the first unit, especially here, manufacturing account, we have got here final account. In the final account, a subsection is called manufacturing account. It will ask for 10 marks. It will ask for 10 marks. What is manufacturing account? A manufacturing account is prepared to find out the cost of production. Then once you finish, it will be entered into trading account. So what is the format of the manufacturing account? It starts with opening work in progress, raw material consumed, opening stock of raw material, purchase of raw material, minus closing stock of raw material. Whatever the trading account item come, that will come in the manufacturing account. We say that factory rent, wages, carriage inward, salary of the works manager, whatever the works come, that will come here. Even depreciation on machinery, motor car and building will come. Depreciation on furniture goes to office. Credit side by closing work in progress, by sale of scrap. Whatever the difference comes, that is the cost of production. That will go to trading account. In the trading account, only finished goods will be taken. Opening stock of finished goods, purchase of finished goods, to manufacturing account, cost of production, by sale of finished goods, by closing stock of finished. The difference may be gross profit or gross loss, then it will went into profit and loss account, which is a regular one. Stock, opening stock of raw material, opening work in progress, opening finished goods, total it will come 17,000, manufacturing wages 10,000, purchase of raw material 30,000, factory rent 5,000, carriage on raw material 3,000, salary of the works manager 2,000, office rent goes to office, printing and stationery goes to office, bad debt goes to office, sales goes to trading account, land and building is an asset, machinery is an asset, depreciation on plant will come in manufacturing account, debtor is an asset, creditor is a liability, cash in hand is an asset, capital goes to liability side of the balance sheet. Now closing stock of raw material, opening stock of raw material and purchase of raw material minus closing stock. Closing stock of finished will come trading account. Closing work in progress will come in manufacturing account. We'll move on. So manufacturing, trading and profit and loss account to material consumed. How it start? Opening stock of raw material plus purchases of raw material should be added. It becomes 32,000 minus closing stock of raw material 5,000. Material becomes 27,000. Opening work in progress 5,000. Manufacturing wages 10,000. Factory rent 5,000. Carriage 3,000. Salary of the workman. If only salary comes, that will go to profit and loss account. If the salary of the works manager will come in the manufacturing account, by closing work in progress account, whatever the difference comes, 48,000 is the cost of production. Trading account, it will go to trading account. Come back here. Salary works manager, 48,000. Now, this is your trading account. Opening stock of finished goods 10,000. Cost of production, that is from the manufacturing account, 48,000. This is sale of finished goods by closing stock of finished goods from the adjustment, 60 plus 10, 70,000. Difference is 12,000, which is a gross profit. Here, carried down, it has been brought down 12,000. To depreciation on plant 2,000. You can put it here or you can put in the manufacturing account. Bad debt is a loss. Printing and stationery, office rent, whatever the difference come, that is the net profit. Then we'll go to balance sheet. Cash in hand is a asset. Debtor is a asset. All closing stock, it is in the adjustment. Closing stock of raw material. Closing work in progress. Closing stock of finished goods. Totally 19,000. Plant and machinery is an asset. Building is an asset. Come back here. Creditor is a liability. Start with capital 43,000. Add net profit during the year 3,000. 49,000. There is no drawing. 49,000. Totally it will tally for 79,000. Easy problem, 10 marks. I will repeat how it starts. We can put it first, this one, to opening work in progress, then to material consumed, opening stock of raw material, add purchase of raw material, minus closing stock of raw material, material consumed, manufacturing wages, factory rent, carriage, salary of the works manager. Even you can depreciation plant, you can put it here. By closing work in progress, whatever the difference comes, that by trading account, that's the cost of production goes to trading account. Then only finished goods will come in the trading account. Opening stock of finished goods, cost of production from the manufacturing account, then sale of finished goods, closing stock of finished goods. Whatever the difference comes, maybe gross profit or gross loss. It's a gross profit here. By gross profit brought down. Now all the expenditure, division on plant, put it here or in the manufacturing account. Then bad debt is a loss. Printing and stationery expenditure. Office rent is an expenditure. What the difference come? Out of this 12,000, deduct this 2 plus 3, 4, 3, 4, 6, 6,000 is the difference, is the net profit. We want a balance sheet. Cash in hand is an asset. Debtor is an asset. Closing stock. What are the closing stock? This is from adjustment. Raw material, work in progress, finished goods, machinery, no depreciation is there, building is an asset. Then whatever the depreciation given, the trial balance should appear only one. If the depreciation came from the adjustment, it should become in the manufacturing account or P&L account, then deduct from the asset. Creditor is a liability. It starts with a capital of 43,000. Add net profit minus drawing. Totally it will tally for 79,000. So in the public examination, one question from the final accounts of sole trading concern, one question from the manufacturing account, one question from final accounts of sole trading concern, another question will ask manufacturing account. They may ask up to profit and loss account, or they may ask manufacturing account, trading account, and profit and loss account. Very simple problem they ask. No adjustment is a very, very simple adjustment. But only thing regarding the division on machinery, division on building, division on motor car, you put in the manufacturing account, depreciation on furniture, you put in the profit and loss account. You start with opening work in progress, raw material consumed, anything belongs to factory, it will only salary, office, salary of the works manager, manufacturing account. So opening work in progress will come on the debit side, closing work in progress will come on the credit side. Whatever the difference comes, that's the cost of production goes to trading account. Then you will prepare that only opening stock of finished goods, purchase of finished goods, to manufacture account, cost of production, sale of finished goods, by closing stock or finisher. Difference may be gross profit or gross loss. Then all the expenses will come in P&L account. Then net profit will come. Same simple balance sheet. Cash in hand, cash at bank, data. Nothing adjustment is there. Very simple problem they are. So you prepare yourself. One concepts and convention, 15 marks theory. One final account of sole trading concern. On the manufacturing account, 10 marks. Then one consignment, 15 marks. One royalty, 15 marks. Last is 10 marks. Only theory question will be asked. Hope you understand that. We'll meet in the next session with another problem. Till then, goodbye. Meet in the next session.